Open it.
I don't want to be in it. Okay.
Here. Help me. Says don't. Here, open it. It's yours. Oh God. Hold on. You freak.
Hey, quit picking your nose, okay?
There you go.
Oh my gosh. What?
Oh. Here. Look inside of it. What is it? Look. What is this? What is this, sissy?
Aww.
Aww. Isn't this pretty? You want to wear it?
Right now.
Hold on. What do you say?
My shoe!
And you got shoes? And what is this?
Them up on my head.
What do you tell? Say thank you, Blake.
David.
Oh, do you want to try it on?
So,
Okay.
Let me see my churchy shoe. Let's put on my new bed shoe.
her
Okay.
new best shoes.
Is that my shoe?
Come here, Mom. Come help her, Mom. Come here, Shop.
Stop it.